Requiem crash on startup 2026. My 1. Restart your PC, close the game completely, restart your computer, launch the game again. Nafar 2. Verify game files, open Steam, right-click Resident Evil Requiem, select Properties, Installed Files, verify integrity of game files. Nar 3. Update your graphics driver, install the latest NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel GPU driver. Choose Clean Installation Available, restart your PC. Nar 4. Run the game as administrator, right-click the game executable, select Run as administrator, disable full-screen optimizations and compatibility settings. And Number 5. Disable overlays, turn off Steam overlay, disable Discord overlay, close MSI Afterburner, Riva Tuner, Xbox Game Bar, and RGB software. Number 6. Clear shader cache, open disk cleanup, select DirectX shader cache and remove it, launch the game to rebuild the shaders. Number 7. Install Visual C++ and DirectX, install the latest Microsoft Visual C+ redistributables, install the latest DirectX runtime, restart your computer. Nashar 8. Reset overclocking, return your CPU, GPU, and RAM to default settings. Disable XMP Expo temporarily if the game remains unstable. Test the game again. Number 9. Increase virtual memory. Set the Windows paging file to system managed or increase its size. Restart your PC after applying the changes. Number 10. Reinstall the game, uninstall Resident Evil Requiem, delete any leftover game files, reinstall the game on an SSD, launch it without mods or third-party tools installed.